Okay, all right, so after we've done all the nice little warm-up drills and stuff like that, one of the finishers I like to do before we do a workout is the med-ball clean. Now this guy is very complicated and takes several times practicing to actually get it right, but we're going to take you through the steps, the progressions of the med-ball clean, and then when you see it up on the board, at least you know what we're talking about and you can get it halfway right the first time. All right, so first things, doing the med-ball deadlift. This is the first progression of the med-ball clean. Now, if you can see, Allison has the ball with the laces kind of pointed forward. She's going to reach down and grab the ball with her palms, not her fingertips, all right? So here, nice flat back, chest upright, just simply standing up with the ball. This is your med-ball deadlift. We're going to do about 3 or 4 reps. It's like so. Notice she stands all the way up, extends the hips at the top, like so. Moving from here, we're going to move into the med-ball front squat. So she's going to move the ball up, basically right in front of her face here, elbows underneath the bar or ball, holding it upright, and just simply go into a nice squat. Send the hips back, keeping the knees wide, holding the ball, like I said, in her front rack position. A couple more of those. These are your med-ball front squats. Now is when it starts getting complicated, all right? So we're going to take the ball, dropping it down to her waist, and we're going to do what we call the shrug and pull under. So Allison's going to kind of come up on her toes, she's going to kind of shrug, and then drop down into the bottom of that front squat, moving her hands around the ball quickly, all right? So if she were to turn and face the camera, you would notice that the laces of the ball don't actually move, so she's going to do it again, down and under. So notice she moves her hands around the ball. She's not, let's go ahead and do a spinny one, where we kind of spin it up like that. That's not what we're looking for there, all right? So, all right, that is your shrug and drop under, and then finally, we're just gonna tie it all together, going from the med-ball deadlift into the shrug and drop under and stand it up to complete the clean. This is your med-ball clean. Go from the deadlift, drop down into the front squat, stand up one more, just like so. Textbook med-ball clean right there.